Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the monthly dividends portfolio where only companies that pay a dividend every single month are allowed in it. So we will go over a couple changes on this portfolio. Well, one change on this portfolio and how it's doing. So the value of this portfolio currently is only $131.60 with $1.23 in cash. As you know, this is a new portfolio and still a very small amount is in here. We will be investing in this until we get up to at least $2,000, and we are currently investing $25 a week. Until I get debt paid off, then I'll be investing more into these. Let's hop over to the portfolio spreadsheet. Current value $131.60. I've deposited a total of $125 for a total gain of 5.28% or $6.60. Sales. All right, so I did have 3 royalty trusts in this portfolio, and as you know, I talked about this last week. Royalty trusts come with some tax complications, I guess you could say. You have to write off certain things like depreciation and that type of stuff. Anyway, I chose to not do that, so I'm selling those off. So I sold those off and got $13.34, and of course reinvested that over here on the 7th. And then we deposited $25 and invested $23.98 of that over here. Dividend changes, there's been none. So if we go to our yearly dividends, there's been 1 investing day, and I invested $25, and that increased my yearly dividends by $2.15, giving me a yield on cost of 8.6%, which is not too shabby. The average yield for this portfolio right now is 8.75%. My current yield on cost is 9.07% on average. Right now it's producing $12.29 a year, or $1.02 a month if you divide that by 12, giving me an overall return for this portfolio of 9.84%. This is almost as high as my crazy aggressive dividends portfolio. That's kind of insane, and all it is companies that pay a dividend every single month. So kind of amazing. The reason this is zeroed out is because I am adding a position into this portfolio, and that will be DX. DX is actually in my... Anyways, DX was in my aggressive portfolio, and they went from paying quarterly to paying monthly. So since they went to monthly, and this portfolio is all about monthly dividends, they are now being added. Now I have 0 shares in it yet. I just added this after hours on Friday. So we will be purchasing that with our next deposit on Wednesday. And it will now be a new position in this portfolio, giving us a total of 23 positions. This is the monthly dividend portfolio, and that's pretty much it. It's not doing too shabby. We are up 5.28%. So that's pretty good. All right, that's all I got. Have a good one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.